Long ago, in the land of Adansi, a child was about to be born. A child unlike any other.
They named him Okomfo Anokye, a child sent with power.
From that very day, people knew this child was not ordinary.
As he grew, strange things followed him.
Anokye told them the water was coming.
Hey, look how it rains! Hey, he said it.
This boy, he is chosen.
The spirits speak. I only listen.
His name began to spread far. He later moved to Ewukugwa, where his power became stronger.
Ancient spirits, hear my call. Show me the path.
My child is healed.
But his destiny was not there.
Go to Ashanti land. Your purpose is there.
He journeyed deep into the forest, following the path that would lead him to his destiny. He finally arrived in the land of the Ashanti. The villagers stopped everything, watching him closely with much curiosity.
I have heard about you. We will build something great. Two great men had met.
At that time, the people were divided.
Hold the line, brothers! Unity will make us strong.
This stool carries the soul of the Ashanti people.
And so, a kingdom was born.
Hear me now. These are the laws that will bind us together as one people.
Remember this, a warrior's greatest weapon is not his spear, but the courage in his heart.
No one will remove this.
His work was shaping history.
I will go and bring back the death key.
Will you return to us?
If I do not return, then know my journey is complete.
Gently now.
Take your time. We have you.
Yes, I am ready.
It is said that Okomfo Anokye set out on a final journey, one from which he never returned. Some say he went in search of the death key. Others believe he entered the spirit world.